Have you ever wondered how to buy a home with a lower down payment? Well, in today's video, we're going to break down how you can do just that with an FHA loan. By the end of this video, you'll know what an FHA loan is, how to qualify, and the steps to get one. So, if you're thinking about buying your first home, this is the video for you. Let's get started. An FHA loan is a type of mortgage that's insured by the Federal Housing Administration. This program is really popular with first-time home buyers because it allows you to buy a home with a lower down payment and flexible credit requirements. Most traditional loans ask for a big down payment, usually around 20% of the home's price. But with an FHA loan, you can get started with as little as 3.5% down. Plus, the credit score requirements are more flexible. So even if your credit isn't perfect, you may still qualify. The first step in getting an FHA loan is getting pre-qualified. This is where you provide some basic information about your finances, like your income, credit score, and how much you have for a down payment. A lender will look over your information and let you know if you might qualify for an FHA loan and how much you can afford. This step is super important because it helps you know your budget before you start looking at homes. It also makes you a more serious buyer when you make an offer, because sellers will know you're already approved for financing. Not all lenders offer FHA loans, so it's important to find one that does. Look for a lender that has experience with FHA loans and can guide you through the process. We'll make sure to walk you through each step and help you find the best loan option for your situation. Once you've picked your lender, you'll need to fill out a loan application. This form asks for details about your job, income, debts, and the home you want to buy. Your lender will use this information to decide if you meet the FHA loan requirements. After you've found a home you love and made an offer, the next step is getting a home appraisal. An appraisal is when a professional checks the home to make sure it's worth the price you're paying. This is important for both you and the lender. For FHA loans, the home must also meet certain safety standards. The appraiser will make sure the house is in good shape and doesn't have any major problems like a leaky roof or broken windows. If the home doesn't meet FHA standards, the seller might need to make repairs before the loan can go through. Next up is underwriting. This is when the lender takes a closer look at your finances to make sure everything checks out. The underwriter will review your income, debts, credit history, and other details to decide if you're a good candidate for the FHA loan. It's normal for the underwriter to ask for more documents during this process, so don't be surprised if they ask you for things like pay stubs, bank statements, or proof of employment. Just get those documents in as quickly as you can to keep the process moving. Once the underwriter has finished reviewing everything, you'll get an approval decision. If all goes well, you'll be cleared to close. Closing is the final step, where you'll sign all the paperwork to officially become a homeowner. You'll also pay your down payment and closing costs at this time. After that, the lender will fund your loan and the house will be yours. At the closing table, you'll sign documents like the mortgage agreement and the promissory note, which says you promise to repay the loan. Make sure to read everything carefully and ask any questions you may have. And there you have it. That's the process of getting an FHA loan from pre-qualification all the way to closing. It may seem like a lot of steps, but with a little help, it's totally manageable. FHA loans are a great way to get into a home with a lower down payment and more flexible requirements. If you're thinking about buying a home with an FHA loan, now is the time to take action. We're here to guide you through every step of the way, so you don't have to worry about getting lost in the process. For more information or to start your FHA loan journey, be sure to connect with us. We're ready to help you make your home ownership dreams come true. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.
Thanks for watching. Whether you're buying your first home or refinancing your existing home, Mortgage and Credit Pro is dedicated to providing you with the best in service and products. We are here to answer your questions and help you through the process. You can reach us online at www.mortgageandcreditpro.com. We look forward to working with you.